Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This will be a really quick review. I've actually kept the box for our Power Sweep by Toro for a couple of years. This is going on our third, or at least the end of the second season we've used this. Comes in a nice small compact box, 2 pieces, you're good to go. We've used it for a couple seasons, but if you can look right now, this is the season where we use it the most. Look at those trees. They are, every time the wind blows, it drops leaves, and we're trying to stay ahead of it. But this is what it looks like. A nozzle and a power unit, and it really has some power. 7 amp motor. It weighs less than 5 pounds, and they've done a really nice job of balancing it, so you're not really controlling anything with your wrist. It just hangs there. We got 2 speeds, a low and a high. You will want to use earplugs with this because it does get loud like most leaf blowers, but it's effective. My wife is itching to get at it, so I said let me do a quick unboxing, or a faux or a pseudo unboxing, to show the viewers out there what it's like. It snaps together in an instant. Not too huge, and one of the best parts is you get an effective leaf blower without breaking the bank. I think this is going to set you around $60. I'll put the actual amount in today's dollars at the bottom of the screen, but I'm going to let my wife get her leaf blowing dream on here, and we'll do some highlights later on.